All right, we're gonna get right into it. What's going on, everybody? We're back with another video. I'm gonna be going over a few things. More importantly, we're gonna go over the progress on the Ftmo challenge that I told you guys I was gonna document and trade live with you guys. Document every single trade and post them to you guys. Second, if you haven't watched my brand new video posted yesterday on why to trade forex, why I trade forex, and why you should too, go watch it. I don't want to tell you what to do, but I want to tell you to go watch the video and hopefully go trade forex. We're going to be talking about what's happening on gbpusd, gbpjpy, and kind of what to expect for the next couple of weeks with the holidays coming up. There's a bunch of bank holidays around the world for so many different currencies. We can already see the volatility in some pairs, especially some pairs that I trade like GJ. So I'm going to be talking about all of that in this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys take a lot of value and information from this video. Subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you watch my breakdowns and catch these trades the next session after you watch them in time. There's so many trades that I break down that end up going through on YouTube for free, obviously. And enjoy. I'll see you guys on the charts.
All right, so now we're on the charts. We're starting off on gbpusd. We're going to look at gbpjpy. We're going to look at Forex Factory, and we're going to go look at the account metrics on the Ftmo challenge to see where we're at. The title of this video is going to be the progress on the Ftmo account. I'm going to share that with you guys after I break down gbpusd and what's going on. If you guys seen my video yesterday, the trade from yesterday is still valid, right? So last night, as I said, right, breaking down gbpjpy, it seems like, we come up and hit this higher high, and then we start to break low and create an equal low as to this low, right? And we're kind of hovering above support and resistance marked off by this big box right here. So we could see a couple of things happening. I could see a little head and shoulders formation to then continue to go short, right? If we break these two pivot points right here, I do believe we're going to change trends. That would be a breaker structure, and what I'd be looking for is a break under. Once we retest a little bit on the lower time frames, my entry would be here in this area and then go short down to target 1.18739. In terms of the weekly time frame, the reason why I also can see myself going short is because the weekly time frame is rejecting this key area right here, marked off by this box that I'm gonna mark in blue, as well as the 50 EMA on the weekly time frame, right? And I could also see price retracing a little bit more down to this area before going long again, or just continuing to go short, right? So I do see short scenarios for different reasons, right? Market structure, and when you look at the H4, this is where it's more more clear to me, right? We cleared and we break under this trend line right here. That's very valid. We break under, we're holding under the trend line, and we're also rejecting the 50 EMA, right? So on top of the confluences I have on the daily and the weekly, we also have the H4 creating this little range in which I do feel like once we break out, we're gonna retest and then we're gonna go short. Last night's breakdown on GU is still valid for today. So if you guys haven't watched the video, hopefully you guys watch this one. Hopefully you guys watch both, but that's gbpusd. gbpjpy, we had this crazy drop on GJ yesterday because of the Bank of Japan declared a market crash. They raised something hikes interest rates, and it's just bad news for the yen. Price comes down, creates a lower low. I am expecting price to come back up, retest, and reject this key area that it previously broke. But until then, I'm not really looking to take nothing because it's just in a bearish, it's just in a big, not even in a bearish trend. It's just a big drop right now, right? It's just in a big drop, and anything can happen. We can get more, I would just need more market structure. I would need things to be formed down here to take anything right now. All I see is just a really big drop. It can correct. It can do basically anything. As for GJ, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a retest up to 164.000 even, maybe a little higher, a little lower, who knows? And then a short position right back down to 160.228 to where it's at right now. So gbpjpy, gbpusd, very quick breakdowns. I'm gonna try to keep this video nice and sweet. Hope you guys liked that part. I'm gonna move into the account metrics on the Ftmo challenge right now. So hopefully I'm not giving out anything on this page. I'm not going to move from this page. As you guys see, I actually haven't started the account. I have no start date. I have no end date because it starts on the day you place a trade, and I have not placed a trade yet. Why? Well, this is why I'm telling you guys. Every trade I've called so far in the Telegram and in the YouTube broken down, I've taken on another account, not on this, and it's because of me and my circumstances and what's going to happen over the next 2 weeks. I want to share this with you guys because you guys can, might not be aware, and you guys might want to take take this, information for yourself and your pairs, the pairs you trade. So for me, who primarily trades gbpjpy and on very small occasions gbpusd, for the next 2 weeks, I really don't have much opportunity to trade, so it wasn't worth it me starting the account. The reason being is, if you guys know, you have 30 days to complete the account, so you're on a fixed time, so it's not really optimal for you to trade around this time if you're going through the FTMO challenge. If you see a nice trade on a regular account, take it. Fuck it, just stay away from the news, or not stay away from news, be wary of the news. But in terms of me personally, gbpjpy is going to have high impact news today. Tomorrow, there's USD news, and then it's going to be a short week because on Friday we're going to get more USD news. We have Christmas on Saturday and Sunday. It's going to be bank holidays. The week of Christmas next week is going to be a bank holiday for most of the pairs. GBP bank holiday that Tuesday. We have nothing going on Wednesday. Thursday is fine. Friday is fine. But then we go into the next week after Christmas, after already like 3 days off of this week. We have more bank holidays for JPY, NZD, AUD. We have more bank holidays. This is the week after, right? This is the week after New Year's, GBP, CAD, USD again. And then we kind of finally go into a regular week, although it is NFP that same week. So I do feel like we could probably get back on track with gbpjpy on the 3rd of January right here. 3rd of January, then you get your regular normal news. NFP isn't that crazy this year. And then it's back to, no holidays, clear traffic. Basically the same news releases that come out that we're used to seeing. And that's kind of really why I have short weeks every week here until January 3rd. So there's no really reason for me to force any trades and really mess with the time that I got to place the trades. So in terms of the FTMO update, this is it. This is official. The FTMO challenge is going to be put on hold until the 3rd of January. I still will be calling things out. I still have another account I can take trades on, of course. And I am kind of sad because I already want to pass this next FTMO challenge. I really want to document it for you guys, show you guys the real and the fake. And hopefully you guys get the realest, like the realest thing you guys seen in trading when I do break down this FTMO challenge, and hopefully we pass. And I say hopefully because nothing's guaranteed in the markets, right? So that's GBPJPY, that's GBPUSD, that's the FTMO count update, and what to look forward to or not to look forward, I guess, for these next 2 weeks. Be careful, be cautious, be precise, take your time, patience pays, and I wish you all the best in this end of the Q4, end of the entire year in trading. I hope it's been a great year for you guys. I hope you guys ended very great. So thank you guys for watching. Again, subscribe, hit the post notification so you guys get my video and you're able to watch it in time to catch these moves with me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Deuces.